Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel, and today we're going to be testing some mica powder from Micas. So to test these, I'm going to add a little bit to each of our wax melt cells, and then once we've made the wax, I'll mix it in afterwards. So first we have Mermaid Trails, and I have a link down below to go to all these, so if you like how they look in the wax melts I make, you can check them out for your own wax melts. Next we have Aphrodite. Next we have Lala. Angry Rose. Nebula. And finally, Fairy Tale Princess. So to test these, I'm going to measure out 5 ounces of wax melt wax. I'm going to add my wax to my electric hot plate and get that melting. So I've let my white wax cool to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to pour into each of these, and as I do, I'm going to mix with my popsicle stick, so that way all of the mica powder and sparkles gets throughout the entire wax melt. I'm going to let all of these solidify and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to pop these out of our clamshell. So the first one I'm going to be melting down is called Mermaid Trails. The next one I'm going to be melting down is called Aphrodite. The next one is Lala. The next one is Angry Rose. Next is Nebula. And finally, Fairy Tale Princess. Thank you everyone for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I'll have a link down below to all of the mica patterns I used in this video, and you can also check out my website sweetstarcandles.com, where I sell candles and wax melts. And you can use code YT15 for 15% off. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you all next week.